Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Xphere token. Now Xphere is spelled Xphere, ticker symbol is XP, and this token was just announced is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting March 17th on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Xphere blockchain combines distributed ledger and cryptographic technologies to overcome the limitations of centralized systems through innovative efforts. Now they have here a full document section that you could find at docs.x-phere.com. Now it says the main features of the Xphere Mainnet 2.0 is high-speed transactions, energy-efficient consensus algorithm, and smart contracts. They have different guides, so you can use a wallet for the Xphere Mainnet here and testnet. The Zygap wallet, ZIGAP wallet, and you can download the wallet from their webpage. They also have a GitHub where you can learn about their official mining program, and you could start mining today, it says. And they have the Tamsa Explorer for the Xphere testnet. Explore your token transactions and monitor blockchain activity with the Tamsa Explorer. The key components: Xphere is it has a user-centric design, so it aims to provide a platform where users can intuitively understand and use, transforming blockchain technology into an everyday tool. They also have the global Web 3.0 integrated ecosystem. Download the official mining program today. And the innovative technological advancements through continuous technology advancements and innovative approaches, Xphere overcomes the limitations of blockchain tech and explores new possibilities. You can check their Twitter out at Xphere_official on X. They also have a Telegram. Their Telegram is at Xphere_official. 7,626 members, 142 of them are online. That is the community chat Telegram. That's going to be a great place to discuss the project with other people. They also have their documents linked on their webpage, references, mining, faucet, GitHub, Discord, Telegram, Twitter, and X. So all sorts of links you could check out on their webpage there. Now, besides all that, it was just announced that this token will be listed on a very big central exchange starting exactly, let's see here, March 17th, 9 a.m. UTC time. The XP token will be listed on Lbank. So that's one way to get this token here. So if you don't have an Lbank account, you could download Lbank from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you could get this from, you could open an account on your PC as well. And then you could fund your account with USDT Then on the 17th, when this token gets listed, go into the trade section and search XP, the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. Now, if you follow the Twitter that I mentioned earlier, or the Telegram, or the Discord, I'm sure they're going to announce more central exchange listings as time continues here. So if you don't want to use Lbank, you can, most likely get it off other decentralized or centralized exchanges. Just follow the socials, and I'm sure more listings will pop up. Now, it also says, calling all developers, the Xphere 2.0 testnet has arrived, giving you an incredible opportunity to experiment with cutting-edge blockchain tech and shape the future of decentralized innovation. This is your chance to test, build, so it says this is your chance to test, build, and explore dynamic ecosystems, build to transform real-world applications, and stimulate market activation. Whether you're building dApps, creating tokens, or pushing the boundaries of DeFi, Xphere 2.0 testnet gives you the tools you need to unlock limitless potential. Diving in today means you'll be able to take advantage of exclusive advantages before everyone else does. Be the first to take advantage of the upcoming Xphere grant program, refine your skills, and prepare yourself to lead the Xphere 2.0 mainnet transition. By joining the revolution today, you can actively shape a blockchain ecosystem that fosters groundbreaking ideas. The future of blockchain starts here. Step into the Xphere 2.0 testnet today and bring your boldest visions to life. The Xphere 2.0 testnet is a transformative playground where developers can push the boundaries of blockchain innovation. And it's not just a testing ground for blockchain. It's a chance to experiment with new ideas, fine-tune your skills, and guide the future of the Xphere ecosystem for everyone. With tools, APIs, and a supportive environment for experimentation, the testnet empowers developers to create, test, and deploy solutions that matter. Here's what you can do with the testnet 2.0 today. So you can deploy and test smart contracts, develop and test dApps, simulate transactions, operate network nodes, utilize APIs and SDKs, and detect bugs and provide feedback. Now, if you explore their Medium articles, which are linked on the webpage, you can find 6 different full Medium articles that you could check out there. So check it all out at x-phere.com. Check out the full document section there as well, the faucet, the mining, the references, etc. You'll be able to find this token soon on Lbank. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.